What if I told you that your plants might be just one spoon away from waking up with new life? Stronger roots, greener leaves, and non-stop blooms. In nature, powerful changes often begin quietly, and today we'll use a simple natural mixture that can suddenly transform weak plants into active, thriving ones. First, take 1 spoon of dry yeast. Yeast acts like a natural growth activator. It supports fast root development, improves nutrient absorption, and helps plants build stronger stems and healthier new shoots. Now, pour this yeast into a bowl. Next, take 1 spoon of onion powder. It plays an important protective role for plants. Onion powder helps them handle stress better, supports resistance against fungal problems, and strengthens plant immunity so leaves stay fresh, bright, and full of life. Add it to the bowl with the yeast. Mix both ingredients gently. From this mixture, take 1 spoon and add it into 1 liter of water, stirring well. Pour this solution directly at the roots. As it goes down, it energizes the soil, supports steady growth, encourages flowering, and keeps plants active for a long time. Now spray the same solution on the leaves. While spraying, it helps keep foliage greener, reduces leaf stress, supports continuous blooming, and improves overall plant health. Use every 15 to 20 days and enjoy happy, lively plants. See you in the next video.